Hey, I'm Sue Steinman, the ninja girl who drives a Jeep and Oro Valley's only AI-certified realtor. And let's be real, a lot of people are quietly wondering, is it time for me to move? Not leaving Tucson, but finding a place that actually fits your life now. If that sounds familiar, these 10 signs might hit home. Sign 1, your house feels too big, and not in a good way. You've got rooms you don't use, and suddenly your home feels like a responsibility. That's the first sign. Sign 2, you want simplicity, like yesterday. Not Instagram minimalism, real life simple, less stuff, less stress, fewer, why do I even have this, moments. That's why Catalina and Oracle feel so different, quiet, calm, and way less chaos. Sign 3, maintenance is driving you crazy. If your weekends are just fixing, cleaning, and paying for things, we need to talk, because your home should support your life, not run it. Sign 4, you still love Tucson, but want a different vibe. Good news, you don't have to leave Tucson, you just need to move smarter. Oro Valley, clean and peaceful Marana, growing and modern Catalina, quiet with views Oracle, hidden gems same area, totally different lifestyle. Sign 5, you keep saying, maybe next year. Next year turns into years, and suddenly, the move feels harder, the house feels heavier, and the stress just builds. Timing matters more than you think. Sign 6, your equity is just sitting there. Your home might be worth more than you think, but if it's not improving your life, why keep it? Downsizing? More cash, less stress, more freedom. Sign 7, you're overthinking everything. What if I regret it? What if I choose wrong? Totally normal. But staying stuck, that's a decision too, and it costs you. Sign 8, your home doesn't fit your life anymore. Not your past, not someday, your life right now. You need a home that fits your routine, your energy, your priorities. That's what these areas offer. Sign 9, the thought of downsizing feels overwhelming. This is where people freeze, too much, too emotional, but there's a smarter way. Sign 10, you just want someone to walk you through it. No pressure, no confusion, no overwhelm, just guidance. So you know your home's value, your options, and what's right for you. What happens next? Future scenarios. Most people don't think about. Let me give you 2 very real paths I see all the time. Path 1, wait too long, things pile up, stress builds, and suddenly you have to move. Path 2, plan it right, get clarity early. Explore your options, move on your timeline, less stress, better outcome. Here's the bottom line, it's not just a move, it's a better way to live, and if you're thinking about it, you're ready. If this sounds like you, even a little, you don't have to figure it out alone. I'm Sue Steinman, the ninja girl who drives a Jeep, and I help people just like you make smart, stress-free moves every single week. Call or text me at 847-530-2517. We'll talk through your situation, your options, and what actually makes sense for you. No pressure, no overwhelm, just clarity.